Have you ever wondered if you replace your oil plug with a magnetic one to see if it actually works? So that's what we're going to be doing today. I'm going to change the oil on my Escalade, which I did before, and I installed a magnetic tip oil plug. Now this is the original one from GM, and I've always wanted to do that to see if it actually made a difference. Years ago, I used to add magnets to my oil filter. I never actually inspected it to see if it actually worked or not, but in today's age, they do sell kits that you could put around your oil filter to collect any metal that gets, bypassed through the filter. And then when you're done, you throw out the filter, you put the new magnets on the new filter. So that helps to collect any, metal shavings in your oil. So that is a fantastic idea. So nowadays there are a little bit more, professional looking kits that you could install on your oil filter. So we're gonna go ahead and try that and see if it actually worked. And with that said, if you have any comments or questions, put them down below. Check out some of the links, they do help out the channel. So let's get right to it. All right, so let's see. Hopefully it worked. Oh, great. Well, kind of got stuck to the outer part, but you can see there was some stuff on there. All right, I'm gonna put it under a little microscope that I have. Hopefully it'll pick up. I'm actually taking a video of my little setup here. All right, so there it is. And this is as good as I can get. That's just all I got. So I'm gonna go ahead and move around these little metal particles to see. This is a stainless steel. So it looks like these are little pieces of metal. Alright. So definitely pieces of metal. Alright, so it did its job. Put a little D40, take out the oil so we can see the metal a little bit more. Let's see here, see. Oh yeah, definitely. You can see a little metal particles there. So we're gonna go ahead and clean half of it. Even on the napkin, you can see some stuff on there. Right, so very interesting. So still got stuff on there, you see? Even when I clean it with a napkin, so. Alright, so you do have metal stuff that the magnet picked up, so. Alright, so there you go. So it works pretty nice. I always like to fill my oil filter with oil. And you're gonna put a little bit of oil on the seal. Not too much, just a little bit. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to order the kit for the oil filter so we could go ahead and put in. And this magnet is super strong. Don't forget to gently put it in. Remember, it's full of oil. Always hand tighten. These you have to tighten them real good. That little adapter I made myself. I bought one, I cut it because it didn't give you the right angle. So I could do this. This is so much easier. GM used to do that years ago, and look at that, how much better that is to add your oil. I know at the dealer they usually pump it with some little machine, but I don't know. Once I'm done, I don't throw these away. I put the oil back in this thing and I take it to the Advance Auto or the Discount Auto or something like that, or AutoZones, and recycle the oil. My little invention. And put the cap back on. And we're good. Alright, so we're done with the oil change. Don't forget to reset your computer. Alright, so you're gonna go all the way to, the left screen. You're gonna scroll up and down until you get to oil life, and you're gonna hold and select to reset, and you're good to go. That's it, 100% oil life. Don't forget to check your oil level. Make sure you have a quarts. And what we're going to be doing for the next oil change is adding these magnets. Now, this comes a pack of 8. You could get these at Amazon. Put some of the links below. If you want to go with the other option, with actually getting the one that comes and hugs the oil filter, most likely it will be a little bit easier to remove, when you do your next oil change. But these magnets are super, super powerful. We're going to put them all vertically, and the way these come, they have a little plastic in between them, and I have to warn you, some do shatter. Some of the complaints of people have purchased it, and the company that I bought it from, obviously through Amazon, they pack them extremely well, and I really like that option. Now, it does have that little plastic in between, so the right way to remove the magnets, if you twist it or you slide them out, like I said, they're very, very powerful, but if you slam them, they can break. So we're going to put all 8 of them around the oil filter. We're going to do, some driving, perhaps 3,000 to 5,000 miles, and we're going to take the oil filter apart and see how it performs. Now, it is a controversial topic. Now, some say that using magnets around your oil filter doesn't make a difference, that the filter will filter all those contaminants. Now, if you're going to buy a regular oil filter, a lot of them go, between 20 to 30 microns of maximum filtration. So anything below that will not get filtered. It will pass through your filter. Now, any extra layer of protection to me is a plus. It'll, give you a little bit more, protection for your engine as far as your oil goes. Now, if you look at transmissions, they come with a magnet on the oil pan, and if you've ever done one of those oil changes, you're going to see that that magnet is going to hold a bunch of metals on it. So the way I look at it is whatever is on the magnet is not on the filter, so it's a little extra protection, better filtration that you're going to get. Same thing as the differential. If you ever done any of those oil changes, you're going to see that there's a lot of contaminants and metals on those magnets. So the way I look at it is more protection for your engine. So we're gonna go ahead and try that. Hopefully it'll give us a fun little project to do the next time around. Don't forget to like and follow, check out some of the links below to help us out. And if you have any comments or questions, put them down below. I'd love to hear your thoughts. So, all right, so we're gonna go ahead and install the magnets around the oil filter. Carefully, try to slide them in if you possibly can. All right. So very simple. I ended up just doing 6. I think that should be good enough. We'll see if they stay on, and we'll try them out. All right.